Good Monday afternoon, everyone. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a massive heat wave to continue throughout most of the U.S. We're also going to be discussing sort of a severe weather vortex that's going across the northern United States, then heading into the northeast for once again more severe weather. We also have severe weather today we need to discuss. So a pretty big video today, as you can see right here. This is the 6 to 10 day temperature probability outlook, and as you can see, we have a lot of oranges, we have a lot of pinks and reds, and those pinks and reds are the areas of concern for extreme above average heat over the next 6 to 10 days. And that is including portions of southern United States, also up there in the northwest, both expecting very warm temperatures to exist throughout the next week or two. We could even go throughout the next 8 to 14 days, which again, more heat is just going to be barreling down on the majority of the United States here, and we're not going to be seeing a break of this heat anytime soon. So here's a chart up there: heat exhaustion or heat stroke, just for that heat safety. Again, it's not going to end anytime soon, and also more heat waves are on the way. So that means summer storms will continue, more severe weather will continue, and if we are gonna get big severe weather, we need some sort of cooling pattern, some sort of cold front for big severe weather to happen. If we do get a big cold front coming through the U.S., we might have a big severe weather event with this amount of heat. Now, the reason why we have been quiet and most of the severe weather has been happening in the northern United States is because of a death ridge, which means you do get some very quieter conditions but very hot temperatures in the majority of the U.S. That means this sort of area right here typically gets the death ridge here in portions of summer, and that just means very quiet conditions but very hot conditions, and maybe some summer storms possible in that death ridge. That's the main reason why there has been a lack of uploads on this channel, but things I think will get active soon, especially in severe weather wise. And speaking of severe weather here, we can look at the severe weather outlook for today. We do have an enhanced risk up there. We still have quite a death ridge for most of the central United States, but as you can see, we do have a small enhanced risk for severe weather in that orange. Also a couple slight risks in effect here for portions of the northeast and more of the northern central United States. For tornado risk today, we do have a 2% up there in the very extreme northern United States, as well as over the northeast. We do have a 5% chance for tornadoes, so quite a chance for tornadoes up there in the northeast. So definitely stay safe out there today. Take any tornado warnings, precautionary and stuff like that. Also, here's the wind risk. Not a big wind risk in the northeast, but we switch over to the northern central United States. That's where we do have a 30% enhanced risk for wind gusts in upwards of 70 to 75 miles per hour. So there'll be some extreme winds up there in the, again, North Dakota, Montana, in those states. And also for hail, we do have that significant chance for hail again up there in the very extreme northern United States. There's a small area for some extreme hail, 2-inch plus size hail expected in those storms today. Tomorrow's outlook, we have another chance for severe weather for Tuesday over there in more the northern Midwest. We have a small marginal over here in New Mexico and Colorado. We do have a tornado chance, a 2% risk of tornadoes in kind of that area of Minnesota, Wisconsin, even a little bit of Michigan there. So not a big tornado risk, but you know, keep your eyes on the sky. We do have a 15% chance here for 60-mile-per-hour winds. And also for hail, we do have a 15% chance for quarter-sized hail. Another chance for severe weather here. Again, not much happening in the central United States for a while. As you can see, Ohio is going to be seeing some severe weather, as well as Pennsylvania, possibly Kentucky, West Virginia, and New York. Could be seeing some severe storms here for Wednesday, and those generally I don't think will be too severe, but we're going to have to watch that risk as it definitely looks expandable. Now here we have on another risk here, and this is going to be actually in the very northern portion of the northeast of pretty much including a lot of New England. A 15% chance here for a severe weather risk here on Thursday. We're going to have to watch that closely, and we'll give you updates on that as we get more details. Right now, it's a little far out, so we're not going to have a ton of details on that. But definitely watch that closely if you do live in the Northeast. Again, look at these temperatures here for this heat wave. This is today. As you can see, we are seeing a lot of areas reaching over 100s. Over here in Texas, going to Oklahoma, definitely California, Southern California, mainly seeing those 100s, and then you have those mountains which do reach higher temperatures as that high heat rises. As you can see, we have more hot temperatures, 100 degrees for most of the central United States, exactly where that death ridge is positioned right now. And as you can see, that just moves forward. As you can see over here, we are seeing upwards of 115, even 117 degrees. This is just the air temperatures. This is not heat indexes or anything. Over here in Oklahoma and northern Texas, that's right near the Dallas area. That's including in the middle of Oklahoma City here. That's just for Tuesday, 6 p.m. or so for tomorrow. And we have just more continuous heat for the central United States as we continue on with no breaks at all. As you can see, possibly some storms according to temperature popping up, maybe dropping temperatures. Otherwise, just more hot temperatures here for again, Central Plains. We're going 102 hours out from now, reaching the weekend. Still just continuous 100s, and this does move southeastward just a little bit here, that we do get possible 100s degree temperatures here in the southeast. More 90s yet here in the Ohio Valley, and we are still seeing a little bit of cooler temperatures in the northeast for the weekend. As you can see, we're seeing 60s, 70s in the northeast, so definitely some very cooler temperatures, especially for July in the northeast. But things do heat up again. Again, just no breaks here for the central United States, and that's about 210 hours out from now. So again, take those heat precautions seriously, especially in the midst of July. We still have August, September heat to go through, so definitely stay safe out there. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We will have more updates on the upcoming severe weather. Again, things are mostly quiet right now for the central U.S. A lot of the action happened last month and also in May. Things right now in July have so far been a little bit too quiet. We might have something coming in August, so make sure to subscribe if you are new to keep post on the heat wave and also severe weather. Like this video, share this video with any friends or family, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.